Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Disney+. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Disney Plus website. Now in order to log into your account, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Just type in your email address that you used to sign up for your account within the email address box and then click on continue. You will now be asked to enter your password. Just type in your account password within the password box and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Disney Plus right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. After clicking on the login button, you will be asked to check your inbox within the email address that you used for signing up to your account. So check your inbox and you will find the 6-digit verification code within an email sent from Disney Plus. After entering this code, click on continue and you will be logged into your Disney Plus account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Disney Plus. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.